Yes, students, we are studying the second chapter, Physical Features of India. Now we are here in the third video and talking about major physiographic division. These are 6. Out of these 6, we are talking about the Himalayan mountains. We all come to know that these are young folded mountains. These mountains runs in a west-east direction from the Indus to Brahmaputra. Indus is in the northern side and Brahmaputra is the easternmost river. This is the loftiest rugged mountain barrier of the world. This form an arc. Arc, you all know about what is arc? The shape, this shape you are aware about in the mathematics subject. This is called arc. Now the width. This arc cover the distance of 2400 kilometer and widths vary from 400 kilometers in Kashmir, that is here from north towards downward. This is 400 kilometer and 150 kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. You can see here this distance cover in Arunachal Pradesh is 150 kilometers. The Himalaya consists 3 parallel ranges. This is very important question. The northernmost range is known as Great or Inner Himalayas or the Himadri. So there are 3 names given to Himadri ranges. 1. Great Himalayas or Inner Himalayas or Himadri. Let us come to know the features of Himadri ranges. Having the height of 6,000 meters, and here this contain the prominent Himalayan peaks. Now coming towards the other ranges, that is Himachal ranges. The fold of Great Himalaya is asymmetrical in nature. The core of the part of Himalaya is composed of granite, means पत्थर का बना हुआ है ये. This is snow bounded, बर्फ से ढका हुआ है. Number of glaciers are there. Glaciers, you all are aware about glaciers? These are the ice mountains. And the ranges lying to the south of Himadri is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. We should be very much aware about the different names of these 3 ranges. First was Himadri, that was known as Inner Himalayas, and here Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. Height is 3700 to 4500 meters. Average width is 50 kilometer. These ranges contain the different hill stations like Kangra, Kullu Valley and Dhauladhar and Mahabharat ranges are there. This region is well known for the hill stations. You know about Shimla and Nainital? These are there in Himachal ranges. Now coming to the third one, the Shivalik ranges. We will start from here in the next part of the video. Thank you.